Hey folks, today we are going to be talking about vanilla beans and the importance of going by weight and not number of beans when you're making vanilla extract. So today I've got a couple examples. In here I've got some Papua New Guinea vanilla beans. I purchased these from Vanilla Bean Kings. I had ordered these, I had ordered 4 ounces of vanilla beans, and I ordered these back in September. I've used about half of them. Over here we have vanilla beans, same thing, Papua New Guinea. These are V. planifolia. This is 4 ounces. I just got these recently because I was starting to run out on these, and I use a lot of vanilla beans in our vanilla caramels. So when I got these from Slow Food Group, I noticed that they were really long and I didn't really get that many. There's actually about 20 in here. I went and got my vanilla beans, my Papua New Guinea beans from Vanilla Bean Kings, and I compared them to the ones from Slow Food Group. So you can see these are much larger than and these are from Vanilla Bean Kings, are grade A beans, and these were ordered from their website, not the co-op. These were also ordered from the Slow Food Group website. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open these up and we are going to weigh them, and I'm going to show you the difference between how many beans I've got in here and how many beans I got in here, and the difference between the two, and why it's important to go by weight and not number count. So let me grab the scale. Okay, we've got it set to ounces. First we're going to weigh our Papua New Guinea beans from Vanilla Bean Kings. I always keep my vanilla beans in a vacuum sealed bag. Okay, and let's count them out actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 31, 2, 3.
36 beans right here, okay? 36 small vanilla beans from Vanilla Bean Kings. We're gonna put these on the scale. And they weigh 2.2 ounces or 63 grams, which is much more accurate. Okay, so we're gonna set those aside. Vanilla Bean Kings, 36 beans, 2.2 ounces, okay? Slow Food Group, pull these out. We're gonna count these up. Look how, wow, those are gorgeous. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20, 21 beans. 21 beans, are we still on ounces? Yep. And 4.2 ounces. 117 grams. So we've got a lot more beans from Vanilla Bean Kings and a lot fewer beans, about 10 to 15 beans fewer from Slow Food Group, but this weighs more. So 1 bean from here, let's average it out to grams.
that's 4 grams, 6 grams, 7 grams.
5, so we're looking at about 6 grams for 1 bean from Slow Food Group, and
4 grams, that's only 3 grams, that's probably about 2.5, that's 3 grams.
so about 3 grams per bean here from Vanilla Bean Kings. So it's going to take about 1.5 beans from Vanilla Bean Kings, from these small vanilla Papua New Guinea beans, to equal 1 big long bean from Slow Food Group. Does that mean that we're getting lesser quality beans? No, it doesn't mean that at all. It just means that you're going to need to use more beans for your vanilla extract with these than you would with these. We need 1 ounce of beans per 8 fluid ounces of alcohol for your vanilla extract. So we are going to need about, let's take one there, 1 ounce here from Vanilla Bean Kings is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17 beans, and 1 ounce from Slow Food Group is let's do this, 5 beans. That's why it's important to not go by number of beans when you're making your vanilla extract beans. 5 beans and 5 beans. You see the difference? So, go by weight when you are making your vanilla extract. Always go by weight. And when you're ordering from a co-op or a website, always, always, always order by weight. Order by the ounce. So if you can order an ounce, order an ounce. If you order, I would suggest ordering more than an ounce and you get more for your money that way. So there you have it. Hope you all learned something today. And I wish you all the best of luck on your vanilla making expeditions out there. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a sweet day. Bye.